Welcome to our TR7 Application Security Platform Deployment Methods video series. In this video, we will review how to position the TR7 in gateway mode. In load balancer technology, gateway mode is a mode where the TR7 load balancer acts as a gateway that forwards both incoming and outgoing traffic. In this mode, all client requests pass through the TR7 before being forwarded to the back-end services, and the responses are sent back to the client through the TR7. This ensures that the client IP address is preserved and forwarded to the back-end service, even in TCP-level applications where the X forwarded for header information cannot be used. In the example gateway mode topology, the 10G network interface used by the TR7 is seen on the VLAN 102 route table. The 102.113 IP address, which is the VIP address, is defined as the vService IP address on the 10G network interface. The default gateway address of the backend service is set to 102.113. Enabling gateway mode for the service and ensuring that the client IP address is preserved. The following steps have been taken on the TR7 web management interface for these configurations. A new route table was added by following the network route tables steps. By following the network interfaces steps, the 10G network interface was included in the added route table, and IP addresses were added. The 111 and 112 IP addresses were defined as interface IP, and the 113 IP address was defined as the VIP address. By following the Traffic Manager Backend Services steps, the relevant server's route table was selected as VLAN 102. When details are activated, Use Client IP was selected via SNAT. Then, the default gateway address of the relevant backend service was changed to 102.113. At this point, if an update is required on the backend service or if it needs to access a different network, it will not be able to do so because the gateway address is TR7. To enable communication with different networks, follow the network firewall steps and create a forwarding rule on VLAN 102 to allow communication with other networks. Finally, a vService was created with the 113 VIP address on the vServices screen, and the relevant backend service was selected as the default. When a request is made to the relevant vService as test.tr7.com, the requests are forwarded to the 113 VIP address. When checking the backend Apache service logs, it is seen that the client IP address is preserved. Even when the traffic is shifted to the slave TR7 device, the client IP address is continuously preserved, and the service continues to operate without interruption. If the default gateway is changed by default and SNAT is set to use device IP, the logs will show the SNAT IP address of the TR7. Thank you for watching, and see you in our other videos.